we got KleinTools here, Kneepads. Got this off of Home Depot, and with Kneepads it's really tricky. I've tried like many different types of them from many places, including Amazon, Home Depot, everywhere really, and it never tends to work. So this one I was wearing around Home Depot for some time to make sure that it doesn't fail like the other ones do. So this one is going to be this basically has clips. You basically just put these clips on, and here we are, we're set. So it's really easy to install and everything. And the full time that I was actually in Home Depot, it actually stayed on pretty nice. So that's why I bought them, and they were $25. So they weren't that crazy expensive, but they were kind of expensive for what they are. So we're gonna wear these and go through work today and see how these actually hold up. So I don't even know if you can hear me properly because there's so many cars going on in the background, but here we are. So this is what that looks like, and yeah, we're just gonna go around and see how this actually holds up. For kneeling, it's pretty good. It's a really good firm support. Obviously these are also adjustable, so that's pretty good too. So let's see how that actually works out.